Sorry about that. I can't know you attack here.
No, it's true we attack, so me understand. Will.
Yeah, it's true we attack and it's so distracting.
Yeah.
But me not care about where Red Dance and Anna have going on and fear and them relationship. Me no matter me not at all. You know, me just feel like if people say, like if them feel like you attack the baby, they feel like it's okay for them to do it. And them not understand say you love Anna, you love that the baby there, and you same one go class them, you know. They not understand that, you know.
You see the problem with Anna now, Anna put man over herself. Let me tell you something. You see, Anna put a man before she. And if a female put a man before she, that female will put the man before everybody. Because remember, self-love is everything and self-love come first. And if me love my man more than how me love myself, that means I'm going to love my man over my mother, father, sister, everybody. And that is why up till this day, she will forever allow Red Dance to disrespect her mother. And she also will forever pick up for Red Dance and disrespect her mother in the most way because she love her man. That she loves herself. But now I say Annie not wrong with certain things what she do. But you have to understand say I've seen multiple times, even though Annie knows that she wrong for this or two and say certain things, at least she still want to come around and be a mother and also be a grandmother.
Yeah, true.
So you can't just look and say somebody this you can't look on the past and somebody this year, but you have to understand say something called accountability, something called mature, and she come around want to be a mother and want to be a grandmother. Allow her to be a grandmother or what. She don't want to do it. And maybe she want to do it, you know, because Red Dance, it just can't go work.
Exactly, and that's at the point when we just
she didn't say, oh, me love the other kids them. I'm not sure her baby no love, but she don't want me come around the baby. She don't want to show me the baby, so how can I do that?
And you remember when I said to you just now, say everything what she do it to prove a point to you, but the whole Red Dance, see, come back around now, see, I same thing, but it's saying I want a different way. Because you are no good, and in our ears, of course she gonna deal with you one way, of course you not gonna have the best relationship, of course she not gonna want the baby to see you.
And she should not because your mother come first, your mother to come first.
At least me I try, at least a mother would have cut you off and said they don't have nothing to do with you, at least I'm trying.
Mother, you're mad.
Yes,
No
thank
boy
you, baby.
to my mother,
Thank you, baby.
I'm that one, thank you. Me tell a boy go suck their mother any day, any time. It could have been the richest man in her life. Hey boy, my mother this nothing like a mother's love. When your friend them left you and you can't go back to your friend and your man them left you, your mother will always be there.
Right now. To be honest, me feel like say
your mother will always be there.
I mean no, probably not gonna look on it that way, but me personally strongly believe say Anna and that boy fight most times because of the cussing where you and him cuss on the media. Me feel like after she afraid to cuss him on the media enough to make people hear, you know. Because she know them are gonna fight. But me feel like she cuss him
after. The boy they beat Anna for anything. If you never go live and
me a class him after. Me feel like
if Red Dance go live and Red Dance go get one
you put whole heap on me still, you know, because that the boy they beat them.
No, Annie, not you, not me. And I think you understand them, me just say deals.
I don't know, they look at it like a man.
You don't understand them, just say.
Man. Right now, Red Dance, make Anna not go live and get 5
million. Me feel like say when Red Dance cuss you, me feel like Anna cuss him off camera.
Me watch her observe, you know. If that the girl look like she not beg hard enough, if face change. If him a beg and she a talk about something else, him a make she know say listen, a match we are playing with the fan that. Make sure I get it 2 way, man see.
What? Me know say 2 of them. Me see because me know say Anna my opinion. Me know say she have fear ways also about her. Yeah. But at the end of the day, me know say she will start fight for nothing at all. And next Red Dance now we put some lick in her kid because she have the attitude. And my child, you know, me know me pitney, you know. No, me. You understand me? So some of the time I can't even blame Red Dance all 100% because I know how to deal with at the end of the day. Right? The only reason why I don't love Daniel in a way I'm supposed to love him is because I don't like the abuse. I think a man supposed to be a man. You understand me? And I put your hand on a woman. That's the only problem.
9 rules.
9 rules. 9 rules. Yeah, baby? Yeah?
I don't feel like him to influence her to depart from her family regardless of anything, you know?
Let me mute this. Annie, listen, it might sound a way, but this is the truth. I see a lot of people say that Red Dance is a good person because regardless of jacket, it's still in the pitney. You see, and we call them people the narcissists, we call it, what is them?
Well, narcissist.
Narcissist or whatever. Him is one of them there, no, call listen. Redance not have no work, Redance not have no money, Redance not have no income. Without Anna and that baby, there will be narcissist. Without Anna or that baby, there will be no income. So you have to play the role of a father role to have money coming. Because if him decides to him not take care of that the picnic there, and he make Anna go on about her business, nobody is going to give that man. All of the gift are going to go to Anna and that's people want.
That's
people
true.
really want to see. Because people don't eat Anna. People don't eat Anna, people eat Redance. So you see the moment blood clot, Anna left Redance, Anna go reach up your son. She go see so many gifts are coming. Whole heap of people are going to by her side. She going to see how much people running to her. She will not get that support ever on the life. She not going to get that big support there because she don't run somebody with the internet despite. So if that did that for the baby, if that for what him can get from the baby and from our platform. So people that talk about him one day because of father.
I always say that. But I always say that to people, but nobody
just like Ice father. He left me stranded with Pitney, say I'm not taking care of Pitney, but when the Pitney ball and
this way you have to do.
Ice and get money and they can't running because he want to make money off of Mr.
Yeah, because they realize that he not push out the other rest of Pitney them as in one for the one where he could say, okay, you're the stepfather, right? And I said it before.
That one you're popular, that
look at it that way. Right? But Vanny, me not like your wife, so me not like your wife. Vanny,
they watch them, I see
I love all your reasonability. I love it so much.
I'm afraid of him. I'm afraid of him. You can't afraid of him.
And you have to just go and use everything we are going and just do our thing, you know?
That's why them say love is blind, you know, because it no matter if a man abuse you or whatever, so when you...
Me not really, you see, when you come out,
a lot of people don't believe in love, they never love. So when you love somebody, it's hard for you to leave the person.
So we have to just
because me there with somebody who be in love and you used to like to be there. I want people to really take click neither, but we fight back. And they need hard to left the person because so you're a man cuss today. You make it back tomorrow. I only like 2 loving birds tomorrow. Then 2 days after, you cuss again. You're not going to always live your life instead of cuss. You're going to vex forever. You're not going to move on. You're not going to go to the beach. Something going to come up and you're not going to live good again. But it's just that you can't take the repeating. It's going to go hard for your left somebody where you really
love him, man. I know that she really love him. She blind herself.
People can't look on her.
She just blind herself to everything. You understand me?
Something that we go reach her, God forbid, something serious that we go happen for she, or something just that we go happen for she open up her eye and say, all right, enough is enough, be gone now. We don't know what going be the outcome by it or what's going to happen for her to realize, but that's a fear problem. But Anna, you need to make your mother see that baby regardless.
That's true. I would love to see baby, honestly.
Because your mother want make your mother see baby.
Out of everything, mother really want to see my grandchild. You understand?
At least when Anna come to see for your grand picnic, she'll walk with things. My dirty baby father, you just want to see ice dry, it can't blood clot work, sorry. It can't work. When you want to see walk with Pampers wives, you know, you just want to see him dry so it can't work. Your mother have whole heap of things, Pampers, everything, you know what?
Chanel make sure say me see the other rest of kids them. You understand me? And you know you me and Chanel cost down your place and go along. Chanel still can't me grandpa them come make sure say me see them. I said that one year for you, send him go on a school. You understand me? She not bought me from out of them life and I love that.
And you know what? Baby, she want you see baby too, you know, but the man
you tell me say, listen what she said, Ivany. I asked her, Ivany, when I come from overseas, I asked her, I said to her, I said, would I love to meet you and the baby come. And I come down, I asked her, you know, right? She said to me, say, I have to go, would I come meet you? And she have to hide and meet me for me see the baby. The moment she said that, she go meet me in one park and hide and make me get to see the baby. That alone, make me know say something this is wrong because why me have to hide and see my grandchild?
Afraid of him.
So me no bother go.
Afraid of him. Redance no one around the baby.
It's a person who cut her off from her family. Just cut her everything.
Feel like, let me tell you, you feel like say, because them approach you. You feel like when you see a baby, You know, so when you see baby, that are gonna go viral, you know, and everybody are gonna start come for your page, you know, so you feel like all of the clothes are gonna depend on you and Anna and not him. Like the clothes to depend on him more jacket. I think him don't love him love it because he might get views and he might get little gap over the feet. So him don't want the eyes.
And that's the reason why, guys, me ask you the dinner date with him. Me not leave him out. Me just ask you a dinner date with my daughter when me birth with my grandson sitting down on my birthday.
But apologize one night time them. So what happened? Me see apologize to you one night time. So what happened to me? He didn't apologize guys one time. Yeah, man. Me see one video. So what happened?
No. What happened is, at the time, guys, use a double. At the time, Vanny, him didn't beat her up, but in this time it did upon WhatsApp. Me depend on WhatsApp call, and him a beat her and a drag her upon the ground. So me no couldn't take it. So me have a police friend. So me turn on my live and start ball out for help and tell my police friend, say, do me, I beg you. Go help them because me did the overseas. Right? So that's how we make Sid me now come and say me in a fee. Come out, come make people know say all of that are gone. You understand? But it's someone me can't take for see. Cause you jog her panic ground and a fling her left right.
Let me tell Annie to stop jog her. You don't understand where me come from. If the two people them a drag each other, Annie a drag Anna, that's fine. But when Anna a go have her man a drag her mother, that's not fine. I've never seen with my eyes Annie allow the other pitting them for drag Anna plus red hands. Me never see Annie allow for her man them where she take to group up and gang and drag her pitney. But I've seen the pitney allow for her man to drag her mama, and that's where I stand. So if me stand for anybody's side, me stand for blood clot on the side because a boy have to go respect my mother. If Annie did careless like Anna, she would have her man them, TikTok and the rest of them did a jog Anna or have something to say about the situation. Although me that your Annie man them have nothing to say about it. She make sure say her man them stay out of it and the other kids them stay out of it. But like Anna sit down and allow red hands for your class or woman. No boy to my mother. And that's why we cannot stand with Anna. I'm sorry. We can't go pick for your side at all. I'm sorry.
Honestly, me go try.
You have to just make come around.
Yeah, that me I say like.
You might go come round. I just make you because Yanni no agree.
You can't make video for me. You know some other cussing. Me not a young people them make. Me not go cuss that.
Make them come round and comfortable.
Would even look if you make video for me. Would even look for you.
Again, I would book the reservation and make sure their chairs are there. I'm not gonna turn back on it like me pray upon it. It does have something to do, right? On my birthday. That's all. Thank you, baby. Guys, make us some taps, guys. Make us some taps. Thank you.
Me personally, me no know. Me just feel like Anna gonna make you see the baby.
Well, let's see.
When your birthday?
Baby, D, have a blessed morning.
When your birthday?
The 4th of June.
Oh, your birthday around the corner.
Yeah.
Well, everything goes good. Everything goes good.
Yeah, man, it can go good. Me feel like
Jesus, we just pray for it.
All right, later.
Later, babe.
Yeah, baby, later.
Guys, may I tell you something? I go lock down the comment section again. I guess when people pack up over here, so one good conversation just can't happen. I wanna can't just either just make we stay in some positive, right? So I guess me just lock it down because me know me can't take it back a foolish, right? And everybody have them saying, but you don't have to be disrespectful. You understand me? You don't have to be disrespectful. Everybody have a voice to be heard, you know, and you have a right to your own opinion on things. Right? But I'm not saying me right for everything what me do. Right? But at the end of the day, you don't have to be in the comment section being disrespectful when it don't needed. Alright? Again, I'm not gonna change my mind. Don't close it. Right? If me see 5 dirty comment, me I close it. I'm not gonna change my mind. Reason why being is me cut round this. So reason why being is you can be the bigger person, and I'm wrong. You understand? Ivany have a point, right? I love what Ivany said. But the end of the days, right? The end of the day, me just know say me have to be the bigger person in this situation. So me gonna leave the invitation open and see if she can do it for herself. No make nobody tell her what to do. Because all me see it, me see Daniela tell her to go. She is the person says she's not coming. So you cannot, I can't blame Danielle in this. Because me see Danielle, where is, right? I me see Danielle literally I said, go, where you do. Right? I invite him. Of course, him have to come. She am partner. She love him. So if she love him, me have to go come down on a level and compromise, right? And the person who she love, me have to be around that person. But I want to see you. It's not about seeing Daniel. It's about seeing you. It's about seeing my grandchild. It's about seeing me smile or him smell. You understand me? It's not about Daniel. It's about the baby. Right? So if nobody can understand that, fine. But my spirit and everything in me said try. Alright? What Anna need to do, Anna need to learn to move on. Right? Stop stuck in at the past. Think about the future. Right? You continue to talk about the past and keep on depend one time and what it happened and what you did do and remember this and remember that. That drag me down. I can't tell about that experience because it happened to me. Me live in my past till me bitter. You understand me? I was so bitter. Me take one picture and me ugly. Me still ugly, you know, but when me being so bitter, me can't see myself, said me bitterness inside. I want that for my family. Me want me pity them come at my grave. I don't want to be at none of them grave. Them supposed to bury me. Right? So if anybody with me want to just help me, I mean, I try whole heap of time. I try plenty time, a lot of time, right? But something in my belly button tell me say this time will work. All right? So I just ask you guys if you can help me. The 4th of June, I will keep the invitation open. All she have to do is just show up and be there. That's all. Not no more. There's no trick. No con, no nothing. Right? Me just want to see you, baby. Alright, guys. Alright, bless you for that. Bless you for that, baby. Bless you for that. But we're going to come off right now because we don't want, it seems like we're, you know? Because she not too like when we dip on her name, you know? Yeah, she not like when you dip on her name too long. You were huffing her. You know, we could come off right now. So guys, remember say Amika Boo birthday. Remember say Amika Boo birthday. Proud of you. Thank you, baby. Hey queen, thank you. Thank you, guys. Remember Amika Boo birthday. On the run go over there and you know at least say happy birthday. Show her some love. Right? Me I go come down before I go dead. Mika Boo, guys, go over her live. She dep on the live right now. So guys, go over there and tell her happy birthday. Go on over there, guys. Come on. Go over there. Mika Boo time now for shine. Go on over there. Bestie. Good morning, baby. And enough blessing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Enough blessing to you also. Thank you. I really. Okay. All right, guys. Mika Boo birthday. Love you, boo. Love you. Thank you. I give you a follow as well, alright? Guys, what else we are talking about? Mommy, what? Welcome. What going on?